Hello, my name is Talisa Dixon. I am the proud superintendent of Columbus City Schools.
I'm Bruce Harkey. I'm the president and CEO of Franklin Park Conservatory and Botanical Gardens.
I'm Priscilla Tyson, and I am your Columbus City Council member. And I'm a proud graduate of Columbus City Schools. I went to Eastmore. Go Warriors!
Hi, it's board member Jennifer Adair.
Hi, my name is Hilaria Watkins, and I'm an 11-year-old mushroom farmer. I started my business when I was 7 years old after a Cub Scout project ended. I grew catgrass and basil, and it was so interesting I wanted to keep growing stuff. Then my parents wondered what could grow in the winter, and I said mushrooms, because mushrooms can grow in the dark.
My name's Elizabeth Brown. I am proud to be a Columbus City Council member and serve our wonderful city of Columbus.
The book I am reading is called Little Seeds.
Someone at the farmer's market told us about a grant to help grow food for the less fortunate. My sister and I applied for the grant. After weeks of waiting, we finally got a letter in the mail.
Grandpa smiles and says to us, "I know what we can do. Let's go and find some colors for our famous rainbow stew."
Dawn is breaking on a brand new day, and in the meadow, poppies sway. A bee appears, striped black and gold. A wonder of nature is about to unfold.
In every single flower bed, dandelions held up their sunny yellow heads.
Lola and Mommy make the garden. The seed packets mark where the flowers are planted. Lola will have to wait a long time for them to grow.
Hello, flower. Hello, bee. Thanks for sharing spring with me. Get a book, read a book.